Namaste. Today I'm going to discuss this Hindi verb yaad karna, which means to remember something. Yaad karna is like a verb to karna. Yaad karna. Yaad is like remember. So to remember, yaad karna. That's the meaning of this verb yaad karna. Now let's see some examples here. Do you remember that you need to make food today? क्या तुम्हें याद है तुम्हें आज खाना बनाना है? So here it just instead of याद करना we have used क्या तुम्हें याद है? Or if we say here are you remembering that you need to make food today? क्या तुम याद कर रहे हो कि आज तुम्हें खाना बनाना है? So here the question sentence is reflected in the word क्या तुम्हें याद है? Like do you remember? So क्या तुम्हें याद है? Do you like we can use this expression elsewhere also. I mean, like, do you know that you need to do something today? क्या तुम जानते हो कि तुम्हें आज कुछ करना है? So do you remember that? क्या तुम्हें याद है? You need to make food today. तुम्हें बनाना है खाना. खाना is food. खाना बनाना है आज. Today आज. क्या तुम्हें याद है तुम्हें आज खाना बनाना है? Today आज food बनाना to make बनाना है food खाना. You तुम्हें. Do you क्या तुम्हें remember याद है? क्या तुम्हें याद है तुम्हें आज खाना बनाना है? Again, next example is it seems like you are remembering something after seeing this car. So seems like ऐसा लगता है कि इस कार को देखकर तुम्हें कुछ याद आ रहा है. So it seems like it's a really useful phrase. ऐसा लगता है. It seems like you are not feeling hungry. ऐसा लगता है कि तुम्हें भूख नहीं लगा है. It seems like you are sleepy. ऐसा लगता है कि तुम्हें नींद आ रहा है. So it seems like ऐसा लगता है. You are तुम्हें you are remembering तुम्हें याद आ रहा है something कुछ after seeing देखकर this car इस कार को. So ऐसा लगता है कि इस कार को देखकर तुम्हें कुछ याद आ रहा है. So after seeing this देखकर तुम्हें कुछ याद आ रहा है. Like after watching this you are remembering something. Like another example, like इसको देखकर तुम्हें कुछ याद आ रहा है. And we have some words here. So make to make food बनाना है. But the proper word for cooking is पकाना. So like what are you cooking today? आज तुम क्या पका रहे हो? Do you know how to cook? क्या तुम्हें खाना पकाना आता है? So another interesting word for you. So we have cook, to cook something, pakana, and for like after cooking we get some food. So for food many times we say pakwan. Pakwan is like food, very fancy word, pakwan. So I think this word pakwan is coming from this pakana root word. And another interesting word people use for pakana is, it's not, maybe it's somewhat related to cooking, but when someone is annoying you, then you could say ye bahut paka raha hai. It's a normal word people use in daily conversations, like you are now boring me. Even for boredom you can say tum abhi paka rahe ho, you are making me bored now, tum mujhe abhi paka rahe ho. So good to remember this word. Then car is in Hindi gaadi. Usually gaadi is used for any vehicle, even for truck or your motorbike. So gaadi, and for car also you can use the word gaadi. Like now I'm buying a new car. अभी मैं एक नई गाड़ी खरीद रहा हूँ. Now for some practice examples, you need to think and tell the answers here. Like तुमने, it's a long one. तुमने कहा था कि आज हम लोग वहाँ घूमने के लिए जाएंगे, लेकिन तुम भूल गए हो. तुम प्लेइंग, तुमने क्या कहा था? You told that we would go there for our trip, but you have forgotten. Remember what you said. So a person told their friends or their relatives that they would go somewhere for a trip, but he or she has forgotten now. So other person is saying, remember what you said. So तुमने कहा था, you told that, आज हम लोग वहाँ घूमने के लिए for a trip जाएंगे, we would go there. लेकिन but तुम you भूल गए हो, have forgotten. Remember what you said. तुम याद करो तुमने क्या कहा था. Like remember what you said. याद करो. I think there should be some comma after remember. Remember what you said, because like you are pausing for a few seconds before saying what you said. So remember what you said. याद करो तुमने क्या कहा था. So तुमने कहा था कि आज हम लोग वहाँ घूमने के लिए जाएंगे, लेकिन तुम भूल गए हो. तुम याद करो तुमने क्या कहा था. Okay, another one. हम 4 साल पहले इस कॉलेज में पढ़े थे, वो भी क्या दिन थे. We studied in this college 4 years ago. Remember, those were the days. So few friends were talking amongst themselves that they studied in this college 4 years ago, and they are happy to remember those days. So we पढ़े थे, studied इस कॉलेज में, in this college 4 years ago, 4 साल पहले. Remember, that's the blank. That's what you need to guess, or you need to exactly tell if you know the answer. वो भी क्या दिन थे. Those were the days. So याद करो, remember, याद करो वो भी क्या दिन थे. हम 4 साल पहले इस कॉलेज में पढ़े थे. Remember, याद करो वो भी क्या दिन थे. So we have some vocabulary here, some words. To walk. So there, in the first practice example there, the context was for going for a trip. But even when you go for a walk, you could say घूमना. Like I'm going for a walk now. मैं अभी घूमने के लिए जा रहा हूँ. Or you can even use it for a trip. Like where did you go for a trip? तुम घूमने के लिए कहाँ गए थे. Year, साल, like last year it was a good time we had in the school. पिछले साल हमने अच्छा समय बिताया इस स्कूल में. And another fancy word for year is verse. Verse. It's different. Verse. Like पिछले verse. It's a fancy word which comes from Sanskrit. Then college, Mahavidyalay. So for school, we have Vidyalay. Vidya is like knowledge. Alay is like house. So a house of knowledge where you go for knowledge. So Vidyalay. Mahavidyalay is like higher school. So it's like college, university. So Mahavidyalay. Like I study in this college. मैं इस महाविद्यालय में पढ़ता हूँ. To study. Another next word. To study. पढ़ना. Like I studied very hard this year. मैं इस वर्ष और इस साल काफ़ी ज़्यादा पढ़ा था. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Next time we will see the opposite of this verb to remember, which is to forget. I think you might have already guessed the verb for this, to forget, bhulna. So we will discuss that in detail in my next video. Bye.